Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix chat is restricted in your region in Roblox. Okay, the best way to do this is to hit search and then type in region and then click onto region. This is going to open up your control panel doing this. So now your region control panel is going to appear. Now under format English United States, make sure that is set to United States. So go and have a look. If it isn't, set it to United States. Then once you've done that, click OK, apply, and then OK. And then search for, after that, date and time settings. Now once date and time settings have opened up, we want to go ahead and click on change the date and time format. Now under calendar, make sure it is set to Gregorian calendar. Then from here, click back and then find language and region. So under related links, language and region. Now under region, where it says country or region, make sure that is set to United States. So if it isn't, go ahead and click the drop down and click on United States. And then from here, where it says recommended, make sure that is English United States. Also scroll down, look for United States. So it'll kind of be near the bottom. There it is there. And then simply exit out of this, and this should fix your issues. If you found this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel.